In the past, I've given all kinds of advice for the best ways to learn Blender, recommending free and paid courses that I thought provided a particularly high sense of value. But one thing we never really talked about was a type of content that we could call the tips collections. You know what I'm talking about, top 10 tips to improve your modeling, rendering, or ability to destroy the default cube. These are usually comprised of a series of small clips teaching you how to do a very specific thing in a short amount of time. Tips collections are useful because they can act as fantastic visual references to either teach you or remind you how to perform a specific task without you having to hunt through some boring documentation or sit through an overly convoluted explanation. I apologize for any of my poorly written tutorials in the past. They also provide an opportunity to inspire you to try new things, which I think is one of the reasons why channels and social media feeds solely dedicated to providing quick tips are now becoming so popular on a whole range of different platforms. Not just YouTube, but more noticeably Instagram and Twitter. So in this video, I'm going to give you a few content recommendations where you can hopefully find a collection of valuable tips to enjoy at your own pace. Jumping straight into some recommendations, Blender Daily and Jan van den Hemel both have channels that I highly recommend taking a look at. They both aim to provide content on a daily basis, which I think is super impressive, and what's more is they manage to keep up a consistent output of content across the different platforms. Being able to produce something every single day demonstrates a lot of dedication to providing people with educational content. The content they produce covers a huge variety of areas encompassing pretty much any workflow in Blender. There really is something for everyone on these content feeds. Now of course, since both of these creators have built up a sizable audience doing this, both of them are exploring opportunities to monetize the demand for this type of content. Blender Daily has teamed up with the Blender Bros, comprising Josh Gambrell and Ryu, to put together a new pack called 497 Essential Tips for Blender, which is now available on Gumroad. This is essentially a collection of short videos organized into a folder structure that lets you filter through different categories of techniques. So if you're working with a particular toolset in Blender and can't quite remember how something works, then chances are there's a small video here that could help you. This might be the kind of content that's worth having open all the time while using Blender because it can act as a quick visual reference, meaning you might not have to Google for answers or check your old files for solutions to common problems. Jan, on the other hand, has created an absolutely massive ebook containing their entire collection of tips, and when I say massive, I do mean massive. The PDF file is 1,131 pages long at the time of preparing this video. There is so much content in this, and despite the size, it's quite easy to find your way around since they've spent time putting together a nice content section at the beginning of the book. The titles for each of these tips act as links, letting you immediately jump to the correct page. For example, if I look under the modeling section of the contents and I want to find a quick demonstration of the spin tool, I can click on spin and boom, I'm exactly where I need to be. So you can see how this ebook is a fantastic reference. I think I might leave it open on my side monitor while I'm working in the future. So if either of these projects looks like something you might be interested in, then feel free to check them out. I'll leave my affiliate links in the description. So let's take a look at some other content available that you can go and enjoy. Friends of the channel, CG Boost, have also been producing a fair amount of tip-based content on their YouTube channel. One video in particular I want to draw your attention to is the 2-hour-long 100+ tips to boost modeling in Blender. Thanks to YouTube's chapter system, all of the tips have been time-stamped and appropriately categorized in the description to make it really easy to find what you're looking for. Videos on the CG Boost channel are always so carefully made, and throughout the demonstrations you may see some annotations appear on the screen, acting as visual aids to help you understand what's going on. This is a nice detail that isn't really necessary, but it does add a lot to the quality of the video. Another good selection of videos comes from Krafft, providing a grand total of 450 assorted tips across 3 videos. I recommend taking breaks in between because that's just an unhealthy amount of information to take on board in one go. Of course, Daniel has a range of other great content on their channel, which has blown up recently after he designed and presented MrBeast with a custom-made 50 million subscriber play button. It's a lovely video to watch and I just want to take a moment to say how proud I am of him. We've spent a little while talking in the Blenderness community in the past and it's just really nice to see him doing well, so keep going Daniel. So for tips collections, having a wealth of information condensed into a small space also provides a great sense of value. Whenever I find large collections of quality tips, I like to gather them all up, and if I'm ever feeling bored or directionless, then I can take a look at these and feel guaranteed that I will learn something that I didn't know beforehand. You can make it part of your morning routine or something. You know the saying, you learn something new every day? Well, you can make that true for yourself now by siphoning knowledge from these repositories of information. But before we close this up, I want to throw in a few more recommendations. Flip Normals has 10 tips for switching to Blender, obviously more for people that are moving over from other software. So if there's anyone watching this now that's going through that process, then you might find this video valuable. But now to make things a bit fair, let's throw in a couple of small YouTubers. Marcel Deneuve has 10 modeling tips and tricks in Blender 2.9, and DevilPeace Art has 10 tips for becoming better at sculpting in Blender. There's also some random guy called Curtis that made 6 useful rendering tips for cycles in Blender, which I mean, It's okay, I guess. But anyway, yes, that's where we're going to leave it for this video. As I say, I recommend checking out the 497 tips collection and the Blender Secrets ebook by Jan. Affiliate links will be left below, and hopefully this video has given you some interesting content to explore. So thanks for watching everyone, have a great day, and I will see you next time.